Unboxing. Please ignore my room, it's very messy. I'm going to be unboxing this thing today. It's a tube, you don't really get many of those. Anyway, let's just hurry up and see what's inside. All those pajamas. Right, I did that, I opened it. It's open now. And now we just open the box and there we go. Alright, it's open. What's in here? Graph paper. Woo, spooky. Haven't seen that since my grade school days. Haha. Just a bit of American humor. And I can't really shine the flash down, but yeah, there's something in there. We'll find out what that is. Alright. It looks like it's an alien colony emerging. Right, I did it. For thing 1, whiteboard paper. Thing 2 and 3, whoa. Thing 2. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is the freaking Yeah Baby t-shirt from Guardians of the Galaxy. That's obviously been repaired because this was like falling off. I mean, it's still a little bit, but yeah. So what we got? We've got something. Oh damn! Wow. Okay. I noticed something in there that's like, okay, sure. We've just smuggled something through the USPS. This is dead ass a knife. It's just dead ass a knife. Like, does it cut onions though? Is the real question. Do it cut onions? I'll just use a knife. I used the knife to get the knife Thanos voice. Put that meme up there in big letters. Can't see. I'm doing this basically, even though it's not really necessary. It's also ridiculously unsafe. Don't try this at home. Right, whilst we cut this, let's get into some game reviews. This month's game review is Hive Swamp Act 2, the years anticipated game. And yeah, I mean, what do I rate that? What rating do I give that particular movie or game? Well, I give it 4 out of 5 hats. That concludes game review cooking. Why did this not cut? I literally don't understand. Okay, back to the unboxing. I'll stop shouting as well. I realise I'm in like a dorm. So we have thing 1, Boulerie dark chocolate balls, and buttons, and some chocolate drops. Cute. And then, wow, we have so much stuff here. Okay, let's take these through. As you guys know, I'm vegan, so vegan snacks, always appreciated. Big ups. Some pins, more pins. I do not need more pins. Where's the pin drawer?